In this video, I'll show you how to blur Microsoft Teams meeting background on iPhone. So as you can see right now, I'm in my iPhone and going to opening my Teams app, and now for tutorial purpose, I'm going to creating a new meeting here. Okay, once you are in a meeting, first of all, make sure to turn on your camera. And once your camera turn on, to make your background blur, just tap on this three dot and tap on background effects. And this is the blur effect. Just select this blur effect from here and your background will be blur. To remove blurriness from your background, select none and the background blurriness will be removed. So this is how we can do it. If this video will help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.